NORMAJ Design has been assigned with a civil site and land development project in Rowan County, Tennessee. Working alongside our mentor, Mark McKinney, our community partner lead, Chris Hatchell, and our senior design instructor, Dr. Jay, our goal is to develop infrastructure to support building homes on farmland and to provide an overall cost estimate to satisfy our client Ashley Stowe's needs.
The design team is responsible for civil services such as electrical and water utilities, hydraulic and hydrological studies, structural design, geotechnical analysis, and surveying. To be mindful of the existing environment, utilities will be buried and the drainage for the roadway will be designed so that runoff follows a path very similar to the existing watershed in the localized area. Other components for our project include driveway material selection, grading, creek crossing, including culvert and bridge design.
The driveway crosses a creek, so we will be designing a culvert for the water to go underneath the driveway. The culvert will be large enough to allow flow underneath the road even during flood events. The culvert design includes hydraulics and hydrology work, which is one of the ASCE's body of knowledge breadth areas. We will incorporate erosion and environmental protections to keep the water clean and preserve native species in accordance with the NAE Grand Challenge of providing clean water.
The creek crossing will be designed to be sturdy enough to withstand the load from trucks that may need to use the road during construction, and visually appealing enough to meet or exceed the client's expectations of the aesthetic of the bridge. While the bridge itself will be concrete to serve its primary purpose, the exterior will be decorated with the client's interest and budget in mind. Two potential design solutions for the project will be explored, including a temporary functioning gravel driveway to facilitate development and a permanent paved surface to provide long-term comfort and usability for all types of vehicles.
Another of our champion tasks is designing the base for the driveway and selecting materials to be used throughout construction in the driveway's lifetime. During the design process, it will be important to consider and incorporate global, cultural, social, environmental, and economic factors. For this project, the global design involves following up-to-date governing standards and practices to ensure our design is a positive contribution to the world at large, while also corresponding with our client's vision for the project.
The team performed surveys needed for our design and developed a cross-section for the driveway. Surveying plays a large role in the development of our design and allows us to know the existing locations of the creek, drainage pipes, trees, and roads. Once we have the existing information of our site, we can create a design that will result in little harm for the environmental aspects of our site. For example, our design will avoid the creek bed and existing trees on the property.